Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we are diving into the TranSigWave 25FT RG6 Coaxial cable set, designed for high-speed internet, broadband, digital TV aerials, and satellite sky connections. This cable is not just any coaxial extension. It's engineered with a tri-shielded design, featuring 3 layers of protection: an inner aluminum foil bonded to the dielectric, an 80-wire braided mesh, and an outer aluminum foil layer. This complex shielding ensures stable audio, video, and data transmission while keeping interference from external electromagnetic signals at bay. The TranSigWave cable is a real 75-ohm coaxial cable, manufactured under a real-time monitoring system to ensure precise cable core foaming rates. This guarantees that the characteristic impedance stays consistent at 75 ohms, which is crucial for maintaining signal integrity over long distances. The connectors are made of nickel-plated brass, rather than zinc alloy, providing a strong, secure connection that is less likely to loosen or degrade over time. Each connector is designed to be weatherproof, with sealing both under the nut and at the rear sleeve, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. Durability and flexibility are key with the TranSigWave RG6. The outer jacket is crafted from a specially formulated polymer that resists wear while remaining flexible, making installation easier even in tight spaces or when routing around corners. The set includes an F81 extension coupler, which allows you to join 2 cables together for a custom length setup. 2 extra rubber seals are also included to enhance weatherproofing, ensuring your connection remains stable even in harsh conditions. This coaxial cable is highly versatile and compatible with most F-connector devices, including televisions, cable boxes, satellite dishes, modems, routers, antennas, and MoCA systems. It's also suitable for HDMI over coax, SDI, and DOCSIS cable modems, making it a reliable choice for high-speed, low-loss signal transmission. The cable supports 4K signals with up to 3 GHz bandwidth, ensuring crisp picture quality and smooth data transfer. Installing the TranSigWave cable is straightforward, though the cable is slightly stiff straight out of the box. Allow it some time to relax before final routing, and remember that the outer jacket is both flexible and tough, resistant to kinks and cracking. The included F81 adapter makes connecting 2 cables simple, and the rubber seals provide an extra layer of protection against moisture. In the box, you receive one 25-foot RG6 coaxial cable, one F81 adapter, and 2 rubber seals. Whether you're setting up a home entertainment system, a satellite connection, or a high-speed internet network, the TranSigWave RG6 coaxial cable set provides a reliable, weatherproof, and high-performance solution for all your connectivity needs. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a durable, high-quality coaxial cable that performs indoors and outdoors, the TranSigWave 25FT RG6 is a solid choice. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.